So we learned in the last section how to write the slope-intercept form from 2 points. So given these word problems, we're going to see if we can find the slope and a point, or we're going to see if we can find 2 points from it, or maybe if we're lucky we get the y-intercept and the slope. It'd be really easy to find it then. So let's take a look at the information given and read through the problem, see what kind of equation we can come up with. So Anumaha is mowing lawns for a summer job. For every mowing job, she charges an initial fee of $10 plus a constant fee for each hour of work. So she didn't tell us what that fee is, the constant fee. That would be the slope if she did. But she does say that for 5 hours, she's charging $35. So we have the initial fee, which is the y-intercept, 0, 10, right? That's what it's going to cost for her to get there. And then 5 hours, she gets a total of $35. So let y represent her fee for a single job that took X hours for her to complete. So let's find the slope, because we're going to go ahead and use y equals mx plus b. So m is going to be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. 25 over 5, which is 5. So our slope is 5, and then we actually know our y-intercept is 10, so it's going to be 5x plus 10. And that's it. So it's just finding that information. We had 2 points, and we got lucky that one of the points was the y-intercept, so we just put that right in for B. Let's look at another example. Yak Travel Agency arranges trips for climbing Mount Everest. For each trip, they charge an initial fee in addition to 15 cents for each vertical meter climb. That's nice. The slope is 0.15, so that makes things kind of easy. For instance, the price for climbing all the way to the summit, which is 3,500 meters above the base of the mountain, is $645. So that point, when X is 3,500 meters, it's going to be 600 and can't even write for $45. So let y represent the fee of the trip where they climbed X vertical meters. So y equals mx plus b, and they gave us the slope. So how are we going to find b? Well, let's just go ahead and substitute this in for the y. And the x. So make sure we get these coordinates right. So 645 represents the y, 3,500 represents the x. Right, so I'm going to use Desmos to help me out here. So 0.15 times 3,500 is 525. That's nice. And then I'm going to go ahead and subtract the 525 to the other side. And so 645 minus 525 is 120. So the y-intercept is 120. So our equation is going to be 0.15x plus 120. That one gives us the rate and a point as well, just like that last problem. Let's see if this one gives us 2 points. So after selling 200 tickets, they had a net profit of $1,200. They had to sell a few tickets just to cover the production costs of $1,200. So they're giving us the y-intercept here. So that's similar to the other one we did. And then another point of selling 200 tickets, they get 12 grand. So nothing here. That once again is the y-intercept. It's going to be just like this example. This one, they give you the slope, so it's just like this example. So